The Honor Watch GS3 is sleek and stylish watch packs a punch, offering amazing features at a great price. So, if you're on the hunt for a new smartwatch companion, buckle up because we're about to give you 5 reasons why the Honor Watch GS3 should be your top choice. This watch is a real stunner. It boasts a beautiful 1.43-inch AMOLED display with vibrant colors and sharp details. It's housed in a super slim 10.5 mm stainless steel frame that's both lightweight and incredibly durable. Plus, it's got a 5 ATM water resistance rating, so you can take it swimming, showering, or even on a rainy adventure without worry. Calling all fitness enthusiasts. The Honor Watch GS3 is your perfect workout partner. It boasts over 100 different workout modes, from running and cycling to swimming and yoga. With built-in GPS, you can track your distance, pace, and location with ease. Plus, it constantly monitors your heart rate, calories burned, and even your blood oxygen levels, giving you a complete picture of your health during exercise. But the Honor Watch GS3 goes beyond just workouts. It's your ultimate health companion, offering 24/7 heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. It analyzes your sleep patterns and provides insights for better quality rest. You can even use the built-in stress monitoring feature to identify and manage stress levels throughout the day. Let's face it, dead batteries are a pain. That's not a problem with the Honor Watch GS3. This watch boasts an impressive 2-week battery life on a single charge, according to Honor. That means you can stay connected, track your health, and conquer your workouts without worrying about constantly recharging. This watch isn't just about fitness and health. It's your stylish everyday companion too. Choose from a wide variety of watch faces to personalize your look and stay connected with notifications, music playback, and even weather updates. Plus, it lets you control your smartphone's camera and music player, making life a little bit easier. The Honor Watch GS3 offers a stunning design, comprehensive health and fitness tracking, incredible battery life, and a ton of smart features, all at a great price. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle and help you stay on top of your health, the Honor Watch GS3 is a fantastic option. Let us know in the comments below what features of the Honor Watch GS3 excite you the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and news.